Okay, this is function generator, 10 megahertz AM FM function generator and counter, and serial number of this equipment is SM5078A. So we start from first knob. This is power button, off and on. So there are first knob. This is counter input. To measure the counting frequency or something of another pulse, you use this block and connect it to that circuit. Then you can measure the frequency of that signal, count the frequency of that signal or pulses of that signal. So this terminal is used to trigger that. You can set it to auto block, and level means you can also set the level. And this is attenuation. Attenuation is reduce their values, attenuate. The other function is function generator. Okay, as name suggests, it's a function generator. It can generate different type of input waveforms, input pulses. Like there recently you can see sine, means it can generate sine wave, TRI triangular wave, SQR square wave. Okay, ramp, this is sawtooth wave, this is pulses again, and this is DC. You can also see their waveforms on the CRO like sine. This is triangular, this is square, this is ramp, and this is sawtooth या फिर inverse ramp. This is pulses, reverse pulse, DC, and again sine wave. So from this function generator you can also set the values. Like presently their value is 100 Hz and amplitude is 15 volt. You can change the frequency by selecting this knob. You can change, increase or decrease, like you can see 110, 120, 130 and 90 Hz, 80 Hz. If you want to change amplitude, just press amplitude knob and move this. You can also use this points, like if you want to multiply 10 times, use this knob. If you want to divide that amplitude or frequency by 10, use this point. Okay, and next one is pulse duty. When you set their function on pulse cycle, you can change their pulse duty. Okay, presently their duty cycle is 10%. You can increase or decrease this, like 20%, 30%. You can also see on the CRO duty cycle increases. Presently 30%, 40%, 60%. Okay, next button is modulation, generation and modulation. This function generator can be used to modulate your signal, like modulation. If you want to modulate sine function of frequency 80 Hz and amplitude 70 volt, just use modulation. Which type of amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, you can select from there. And you can also generate carrier signal from this modulation generation. And this is used for sweep, start and stop and their time. And this is output channel, 20 volt maximum, peak to peak, and so on.